Is your hairline thinning? Or are you tired of cleaning clumps of hair from your comb? You are not alone, and today I will show you a simple, powerful home remedy using just two ingredients. This DIY spray is backed by real results, helps regrow bad spots, and reduces breakage fast without chemicals or expensive products. So if you are dealing with hair fall, itchy scalp, or slow growth, keep watching because the transformation starts now. We will be using Fenugreek. Fenugreek stops hair fall. This is because it's rich in nicotinic acid and protein. This helps to strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage and shedding. It stimulates hair growth. It contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that help treat itchy scalp, dandruff, and infections. It softens and smoothens hair, making it more manageable. It helps increase hair volume by strengthening the roots and stimulating thick growth. We'll also be using rosemary, and you all know that rosemary stimulates hair growth as it increases blood circulation to the scalp. It helps reduce hair shedding and thinning without side effects. It has natural antioxidants that strengthen weak and brittle hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Rosemary contains anti-inflammatory properties that fight against dandruff, dryness, and scalp irritation. Regular use of rosemary can help darken hair naturally and slow down the appearance of gray strands. Moving on, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. I decided to add a little bit. Add 1 cup of water. The quantity to use depends on what you want and how many days you want to apply it. Use the double boiling method, or instead of using cold water, add hot water and allow to sit for some hours. This method takes time, but the two methods will still give you what you want. I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes. When everything is set, off the heat and allow it to cool down. Strain and pour into your spray bottle. And guys, look at what we are having here. This is so rich. So rich. Very potent. Yo guys, my hair is still tucked in a hair bonnet. Woo! And my hair feels so good. My edges are grown back now. If you're having issues with your hair edges or you're having thinning edges, go watch my video on how I grow my edges. I'll leave the link in the description. Apply your potent DIY hairspray on your scalp. If you are not on protective hairstyle, part your hair into sections for easy application. Make sure to apply on your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp 15 to 20 minutes. This is to allow blood circulation. Use your hands or a manual machine to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp is very important. is as good as applying this DIY hairspray. Also do a patch test before applying this hairspray to your scalp if your skin is sensitive. Use this spray 3 to 4 times in a week. Each time you apply this spray, apply your hair butter or hair cream so your hair will not dry out. Some of you complain your hair dries out after applying the hairspray. That is because there is no cream or butter to moisturize your hair and no oil to seal in moisture. This happens when you watch the video halfway or skip some parts of the video. When you do this, you do not get all the information, and instead of growing your hair, you are exposing your hair to dryness, which will lead to breakage. After applying your hairspray, your hair cream or hair butter, and sealing everything in with your hair growth oil, use a plastic bag to cover your hair. This makes all the whole things you applied on your hair to penetrate into your hair, and it will leave your hair so good and manageable. For storage, store in a refrigerator, and if you do not have a refrigerator, produce in small quantity to avoid spoilage. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share to your family and friends or anyone struggling to grow their hair, and show your girls some love by subscribing to this family. See you in my next video. Bye.